sport. It's competition. It's Dax. Fuck his name. I'm sick of the bullshit. I should be on top, but I'm riding the bench. Niggas are blowing for less. I've been killing these beats and they don't wanna show me respect. Hop off the porch from the north, yeah, I came with a kill, so I'm aiming these bars they neck. Got to these niggas, I took them to church, cause these pussy ass niggas gon' have to repent. Ask any rap about Dax and I promise that nigga gon' say they don't know me. I meet him in person, they say to the homie, then I get the word that the nigga a phony. Half of these rappers was made with Adobe. Copy and paste, they just rap by the roadie. Cutting up rappers like barbers, cause I got the edge, now I'm up and I fade them like Kobe. All black be the fit because I'm finna.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, heart impacts. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask, grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet out. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. You have one shot on stage, what you got to play. Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. One shot on stage, what you got to play. Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the